ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਧਰੂਪ ਪਵਾਰ ਹੁਣੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਤਾਂ ਰਾਮ ਪਵਾਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਦਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਸ਼ਾਰਪ ਹੈ, ਓਪਨ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਲੈਟ ਹਿਮ ਵਾਟ ਐਵਰ ਹੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਡੂ ਇਟ। ਸੋ ਧਰੂਪ ਜੀ ਸਾਂਝਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੇ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ,
ਹੈਲੋ,
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ, ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ?
ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ, ਯੈਸ।
ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਵੀ ਗੋਣਾ ਟਾਕ ਇਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਔਰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼, ਵਾਟ ਯੂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ?
I'm more comfortable in English. My Punjabi is not that very good.
You can mix with it.
I'll try my best. Yeah.
Okay. ਅੱਛਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ, ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ? ਮੈਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ, ਪਰ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਵੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ?
So I'm actually taking a finance degree at Carleton University right now. I also have my mortgage certification, and I went to high school here in Brampton.
Okay.
You know, I've been around the city. I actually grew up in Malton. You know, I've immigrated from India at the ripe age of 6 years old. I came here, been living in Malton since then. I've always been around the community, you know.
ਜੋ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ, when you go to school, what kind of challenges you have that time?
At that time, I feel as though my biggest challenge was obviously moving from a new country, like coming from India all the way to Canada, and then having to, you know, adjust to the new lifestyle. But I feel as though the schools do a very good job of helping new people, helping new students, and it didn't take me long at all. It took me about a month to actually get used to being here.
So problem, ਦੂਸਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ kind of bullying, you have any problem like that?
In the beginning, yes.
Some kids they do, right?
Yeah. Some kids they do that, but I feel as though if you don't take it as a bad thing and you educate them, you tell them why, you know, that's not a good thing. You can show them why, you know, maybe something that they're doing is wrong, right? Instead of just going violent, instead of always like trying to be like, oh no, that's, you know, you're doing a wrong thing, I hate you, this, that. You could always try and educate someone.
ਕਦੀ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਦੇ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਯੂ ਬੀ ਅ ਲਾਇਰ, ਯੂ ਬੀ ਅ ਡਾਕਟਰ, ਯੂ ਵੀ ਡੂ ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ, ਯੂ ਡੋਂਟ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਡੂ ਇਟ, ਬਟ ਕਦੀ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ, ਐਵਰ ਯੂ ਥਿੰਕ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ?
Yeah, so my parents always wanted me to be a pilot.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, and I'm so scared of heights. I flew a plane before.
Okay.
And I was so scared. It was a scary experience for me, right? And I said, you know what? I will get my pilot's license, right, to make my parents happy, to, you know, obviously go down that path, but I'm not going to become a pilot. I cannot.
So you got license already?
No, I don't have my pilot's license,
you
but I can go get it if I want to.
Okay. So what do you want to do actually?
I want to go into business.
What is your vision?
My vision is, well, I honestly, my vision is I want to first make money, and then I want to help the community. I want to maybe buy a hotel chain, maybe get a Tim Hortons or something, and I just want to give back to the community. I want to make the money for myself, and then after I've made enough money for myself, I want to then disperse the money around the community. I want to help people. I want to start new things for people. I want to see the community as a whole grow, right? I don't want to just see myself grow.
And when I was talking to last week, you were talking about economy.
Yeah.
What's going to happen in Canada, all over the world? What are you thinking? What's going to happen? Because people getting money now, they're happy now. How expensive going to be in the future? What do you think about this?
Expenses are going to go up. Of course, they're going to go up. We just printed $1 trillion of money that we did not have. The Canadian economy is off. But the Canadian economy is booming, actually. We're actually growing at a 6.5% rate compared to US at the 6.3% rate, right? But you also have to remember the Canadian economy's debt has almost gone up 25 to 30%. We were at 65.2% last year, and now the Canadian economy is 91.6% debt. Fiscally, I think we're currently sitting anywhere from $200 to $220 billion in fiscal debt. So that's where the government spends $200 billion more than it has.
That's right.
But in the coming year, everything is going to open up. As you said, everyone's getting vaccinated. And I see the Canadian economy, obviously that fiscal debt is going to be at a high number. It's probably going to be around 100 to 150 billion, but it's going to go down, right? Things will go up in price, and people have to accept that. People will have to make that sort of like, you know, it's either things go up in price or the economy fails, right? You have to choose.
That's right. Because 1.4 trillion could be debt in Canada maybe after 2 years. How are they going to cover that?
Yeah, that's the point, right? How will they cover that? The price is going to go up. Yeah. And also, I feel as though the Canadian economy, we're doing really well, right? in the considering our industries, we have three main industries. We have oil and gas,
Yeah.
we have energy, and we have tourism. Considering currently right now the price of crude oil just went up. Right now the Canadian dollar is sitting the highest it's ever been since 2010.
Yeah.
Think
That's
about
right.
that, right? And so we're doing amazing for ourselves. And as long as we keep going down this path, as long as we just keep just going at it, I think we're going to do amazing.
Because you were talking about India's the problem. There are so many problems in India, and there's the vaccine very slow. People dying with oxygen. You
Yeah.
don't have it. What do you think about that?
What do I think about? I feel as though
Yeah, because when I talking to you, you were talking about that. What's going to happen in India? The problem with population, maybe something else.
it's not necessarily the problem. It's population, as in like, it's the government's job then to obviously eradicate these problems, to keep everyone in check, right? But it's also the people's job to then listen to the government. And I don't see that balance. I don't see the government tries and then the people don't try, and the people try and then the government doesn't try.
Yeah.
And there's no balance. The government doesn't want to listen to the people and the people don't want to listen to the government. And so we're going to go nowhere if we do something like that, right?
Yeah, that's right. तो मैं that's why मैं तो लेके आया कि you're going to be role model for the other kids.
Yes.
Many kids, they don't do nothing. They're just watching TV all day. They're yelling each other. They don't know how to talk. What do you want to tell them? Whoever, they don't do nothing. Now, lockdown, they not even have education. They don't have to go to school now, or staying home. They don't do nothing. What do you want to tell them?
I just want to tell them, even if you don't do anything, can just at least try to get some knowledge. Try to at least educate yourself, right? Education goes a long way. In the end, a lot of people are like, oh, I didn't go to school, but look
Yeah,
at me,
that's
I'm a
right, yeah.
millionaire now. That person got lucky. Not everybody gets lucky. People who have an education, people who have a foundation, people who have that sort of, that ability to go there, will always go there, right? You put in the work, the work will then showcase that reward. I want to tell kids to just go out there, man. Just do something with your life. Just keep going at it. Every dog has its day. You have to remember that everyone at some point will have that moment in their life where they'll be like, wow, I've made it now. And if you just put in the work, you'll find that day. You'll find that moment in your life.
Because so many parents are rich.
Yeah.
So those kids, they don't want to do nothing. They said, then other children, they have normal family. So they say, oh, this guy have this. His father bought his nice car.
Yeah.
Why not I have it? But some parents, they can't afford it. So ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦਿਓ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਯੂ ਗੋਣਾ ਬੀ ਰੋਲ ਮਾਡਲ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਬੱਚੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਗੇ. ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ?
What do I want to say? I just want to say...
Encouragement ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ. You know what? You're young. You can do anything you want.
Yeah.
तो ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ?
Just because your parents can't give you other things that other people's parents can, you have to remember that parents will give you the best that they can give you. Your parents aren't going to gatekeep money from you. They're not going to try to give you less. If your parents are obviously good to you, your parents will always try to give you the best that they can. And you have to accept that thing. Not everybody gets to choose the best life for themselves, but the life that you're given for a reason, I believe. Right? You're put in this world out of a million different genes of sperms. Anybody could be put into the world, and you were put here. Do something, change the world. You have the power to change the world. Maybe your parents aren't the best off, right? But then it's your job to change that for them, to show them a new life, to show them that, you know what, maybe you couldn't buy me a new car, but here, I'll buy you a new car.
Yeah.
I'll buy you a new house because I'm here to support you just as you were there to support me.
So what do you want to you want to blame on parents?
No.
Or want to blame whoever they don't do
I
nothing?
want to blame the society that says that you have to always have the best thing. I want to blame the people that make fun of people for not having the best thing.
That's right, yeah.
I want to blame those kids that feel that they're in a position of power just because they have more money. If none of this existed, if money wasn't a thing, who would be that person? Who would be in a better place? Your character matters, right? Who you are as a person personally is always going to matter more than what you have monetarily, what you have physically. Who you are as a personality, as the person you behave, the way you project yourself in a group of people will always matter more than anything else.
Which sometimes happen because friend circle. If you have bad friends, you're gonna be bad guy.
Yeah.
If you have good friends, you're gonna be good guy.
Yeah.
So just tell the other kids when they make a friendship circle, so they have to be careful.
Yes. Always, you have to remember you are a product of the 5 people that you hang around the most.
That's right. yeah.
Right? And so choosing good people, you're going to become a good person. Choosing bad people, maybe you're not a bad
Yeah.
person, but those influences will then turn you into a bad person.
That's right. Yeah.
And that's what I want to tell people is choose your friends very wisely. Choose who you're around very wisely, and choose what you choose to share with people very wisely too.
Because many kids, they don't share.
Yeah.
They just stay in the room, just watching TV, on the phone all the time. That they have to get out, just tell other kids and do something.
Yeah.
Do some work at home.
Do anything, really.
anything,
Just
yeah.
go outside, go for a walk, social distance, but go for a walk, right?
Yeah.
Go outside, go get to know your community. Your community is going to create you, and then you can create the community.
तो बहुत अच्छा लग गया बहुत बढ़िया so hopefully we're going to talk next time too and what do you want to say in the end and just for you we have 1 minute yeah
What do I want to say?
कुछ भी
Change the world, man. Change the world. You have the ability to change the world. And everybody has the ability to change the world. So go out and change the world. Do something for your community. Do something for the people. Do something for everyone, not just yourself.
thank you so much
Thank you for having me.
no problem thank you so much ਇਹ ਸਨ ਥਰੂਪ ਪਵਾਰ ਹੁਣੀ ਰਾਮ ਪਵਾਰ ਹੁਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਓ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਇਸ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੇ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਪੌਲ ਚੀਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਆਏ ਸਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਤੋ ਇਹ ਬੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੀਏ